Today we are presenting a brand new construction by Classic Cottages. The house is listed at $3,069,000 by Janet Million, and it has 3-car garage, 6 bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms.
So come with me and let's enjoy this beauty. So as soon as you come in the house, you're gonna be presented with a great room at the end and a really big size dining room. At least you can sit 10 to 12 people here. And to the other side of the entrance, you're gonna have your first bedroom. You can use it as an actual bedroom, or you could use it as your office. Of course, like all Classic Cottages, high attention to detail. In this room, you're gonna have a closet and you're gonna have your first bathroom. And coming through the dining room, you're gonna encounter a butler's room with your first wine closet, storage, a wet bar, and you enter into the kitchen. High-end appliances, you have a 48 inches range with flat top, wall ovens, and you have 2-column refrigeration system. One is your refrigerator on this side, and on the other side you're gonna have your freezer. Welcome back to the great room.
In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about living in the area. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell so that you're informed every week when we post a new video. And by the way, if you're relocating inside of Northern Virginia, or maybe you're moving from another state, please make sure that you give us a call, send us a text message, send us a telegram, whatever is more convenient for you. If you have questions about the area or about the process of real estate, let us know.
Off of the kitchen, you're gonna have a pantry. And then you have a coat closet and a mudroom. And immediately, we're gonna have a 3-car garage. You're gonna have your connections for an electric vehicle. So let's go back to the great room. Off of the great room, you're gonna have your outdoor space, which we're going to visit later. One thing that impresses you in this house is the size of the staircases. They're incredibly modern. So let's go to the second floor. On the top floor, you're gonna have 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. So let's start with the secondary bedrooms. Every bedroom will have its own full bathroom and a closet, of course. Let's call this bedroom number 2. Then across from bedroom number 2, you're gonna have bedroom number 3. With a big closet and also a full bathroom. Then off of bedroom number 3, you're gonna have very nice laundry room. So without further, actually no, let's go to the last secondary bedroom, which would be your bedroom number 4. This one is, of the secondary bedrooms, is the biggest one. Closet. Okay, without further ado, let's go into the master bedroom. Master bedroom has a full fireplace, gas. Then before we go into the primary bathroom, you're gonna find your walk-in closets. And now let's go into the primary bathroom. You have a linen closet, his and hers sinks. The bathtub is really big. And then you have a huge shower.
If you're interested in this listing or any other listing in the Northern Virginia area, please send me a text message with the word tour, and we'll be more than happy to accommodate your schedule and show you around.
I would love to know what you think about this house, so go in the comment section and let me know. In the meantime, let's go into the basement.
The basement is impressive. You have access to the outside of the backyard, and this is one of the most impressive wine cellars I've seen in Northern Virginia. You have access to many bottles, and of course this is temperature controlled. This is your family room down here in the basement, and in the back you have a full bar. Behind the bar, this could be a storage room, it could be your audio and video equipment storage room. You have more storage under the staircase. And of course your mechanical room, which I love to show. Huge water heater tank, all the connections throughout the entire house. 2 sump pumps and 1 HVAC system for the first and basement levels, and then you have another one on the top for the top level. And of course you have more storage. You have your secondary or your second powder room, and off of the powder room you are going to have an exercise room with a rubber floor. And then this could be a second office or a guest room, which also has its own closet and bathroom. Let's go to the backyard. You have a sprinkler system for the entire house. And plenty of space. Thank you very much for tuning in this week. Make sure that you like and you subscribe to the channel so that next week you're informed when we drop a new video. My name is Miguel and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. We'll see you next week.